Yo, what's going on? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your first stream to YouTube using XSplit, so stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to stream gameplay quickly and easily, I highly suggest getting XSplit. Now, I used to use OBS, and OBS, to be honest, it's a little bit of a pain to deal with, to set up, to get the settings that you want. But XSplit is incredibly easy to resize images, to change settings, to basically get things how you want them to be. So go to growonyoutube.com/XSplit ASAP to go and download XSplit. You can also use my discount code JCarterRay to get 10% off. So do yourself a favor, go get XSplit today. Jump start your streaming career. Go to growonyoutube.com/XSplit. Use code JCarterRay for 10% off. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Carter from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your live stream so that you can live stream to YouTube using XSplit. So it's pretty straightforward. I like the way XSplit has done it, but they are a little bit confusing. It doesn't really tell you what's going on right about now. So I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to know the best settings to stream to YouTube using XSplit, then click on, where am I clicking? That's to right, and that's where it should be. So we're going to point to the left, click on the card in the top right hand corner, and you'll see my video that I did on the best settings. But we're not going to be talking about that in this specific video. I'm just going to be showing you how to actually live stream to YouTube. So you want to come up here once you've got XSplit up and loaded and whatnot. You go to outputs, then you want to go to YouTube live, or I think it's set up a new output. Yeah, it'll be set up a new output. Then you go to YouTube live, and then it will show you this. And we're just gonna go to the output that we've already got, since we've already got it, and it will bring up the exact same thing that we had from before. But as you can see, it's actually got my channel ID here. So we're going to deauthorize that. So it's basically what we had before, but we've obviously changed a few parameters like the codec, the bitrate, all this sort of stuff, which you should change depending on what kind of computer you have and what your internet is doing. But remember, check out my best settings for streaming in XSplit. That video will help you out with these sorts of settings. But in order to actually add your channel ID, you need to enter the Google Mail email address that you used to create your channel. So I'm going to enter mine here, but I will blur it out because, you know, hackers. And then once you put in that email address, you want to go to authorize, and then you'll see a pop-up with the, you know, Google sign in thing where it will ask you to put in your password and all that sort of stuff. So let's hit authorize, and then here we are. We will be blurring that out as well. And then we will enter our password here, and then you hit next, and then you choose your channel, and then we'll hit next as well. It will allow XSplit to manage your YouTube account, all that sort of stuff, basically allow you to stream to your channel. I'm going to just blur this out and cut to the next stage, because otherwise I'll have to keep the blur on my email address, and that's a bit annoying. So click allow on that page, and then we have authorized our YouTube channel. So now we can actually stream there. And if we go to stream, this should bring up our streaming. It should bring up our streaming like interface, where it will give us the title and all that sort of stuff with for our YouTube stream. So let's go to our live dashboard. We've currently got our Conan Exiles PS4 stream set up over here. This keeps on coming in my stream. Support the stream with Streamlabs. I did not add this to any of my streams. This is so annoying. It keeps on coming there. If you guys know what's going on there, please let me know. But basically, if you go to outputs now and you click on this YouTube live thing, like click on it, don't click over here because that will just bring up the options. You have to click on the actual thing. It will, sometimes it will automatically stream. If this automatically streams, we're gonna need to stop that. Okay, great. It didn't automatically stream. Sometimes it will do that. Like if you go to local recording, then it'll automatically do that. It used to just automatically stream, but now it actually brings up this option menu. So you can go to stream now. You can set up a live event from before and stream to that. You can also edit your description and tags and all that sort of stuff, but I wouldn't suggest doing that here. Like, why would you do that here? Do it on YouTube, although it might just be easier to do it here in certain respects in terms of like tags and stuff, because you got to go through another page to do that on YouTube. But I suggest you just do it on YouTube. You can also schedule it on YouTube. You can change the privacy, change the category. You can change it to low latency, normal latency, all that sort of stuff. This can be used if you kind of don't want people to stream snipe you, and you want there to have a little bit of time before stuff's going on. So if you do like normal latency, you have like people will have to wait longer before they catch up with the stream. So if you say hey, it may be like 30 seconds before they see that hey. So if you're going and you're doing something on your game or whatever, and it's an online game that they can also join, then it may be worth making your latency at normal. But low latency is what I generally go for. Ultra low is to try and, you know, get as good as possible, so you have real-time interaction and you can just talk to people and they hear it very, very quickly. So that's for that. So that's basically how you set up your first stream to YouTube. I hope this video helped you guys out. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you've got any questions or any other tutorials you'd like me to make. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next XSplit tutorial. Peace out. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.